Hello everyone, I am Hajira, Nakshatra 916 Golden Diamonds, Dubai. Today I am going to show you very beautiful lightweight ladies bracelet collections. It's like a hanging bracelet collection, very beautiful designs. Let's go to the detailed video. First design I am going to show you very beautiful Sitara chain bracelet collection, lightweight bracelet, ladies bracelet. This one looks like a butterfly model on hangings is there, very beautiful design you can see here. I am showing you from near. Okay, this all comes under lightweight collections, very beautiful design you can see here. Next design I am showing you very beautiful Sitara chain ladies bracelet collection, small circle shaped one hangings comes, very beautiful design. This all comes under lightweight collection starting from 2 grams, very beautiful designs. We have lot of collections like this. We have other designs also. Next one I am showing you circle shaped hangings with Sitara chain. You can see here all under lightweight collections. All bracelet comes lightweight collection starting from 2 grams. We have lot of collections available in our Alnada shop. Visit our shop Alnada 2 Dubai, Nesto Mall, first floor, Nakshatra Jewellery. If you wear it, it looks like this. I'll show you now. Yeah, it looks like this. I think you can see here, very beautiful designs. Next one, very beautiful design with a small bead work, a small circle shaped one design is there here middle. Small bead work also comes in 2 sides, both sides. Very beautiful design, lightweight collection, bracelet collection with Sitara chain. We have lot of collections available in our Alnada shop. Visit our shop Alnada 2 Dubai. Next one I am showing you very beautiful beaded work hangings bracelet collection. You can see here hangings there, then in between small bead work also given. You can see here very beautiful design. I'll show how it looks when you wear it. Small beaded work, circle shaped hangings and beaded work is there, very beautiful design. This all comes under lightweight collection. We have lot of collections available in our Alnada shop. Also in India we have lot of collections in India. You can do online shopping in India. Contact 9846361916. Also, if you want to purchase here in Dubai, visit our shop Alnada 2 Dubai, Nesto Mall, first floor, Nakshatra Jewellery. We have lot of bracelet collections, not only like this lightweight collection. We have other designs, other collections also, Signity stone work, other different designs, different patterns, bracelet collections available in our Alnada shop. Visit our shop. Thank you for watching our video. If you like any of our bracelet collections, do visit our shop Alnada 2 Dubai, Nesto Mall, first floor, Nakshatra Jewellery. Also you can do online shopping in India, all over India delivery available. Within 8 days you can get the delivery. Contact 9846361916. If you want to watch more videos, more collections, subscribe our YouTube channel, follow Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. See you again next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.